Alright, I think I'll make one more video for the day and call it quits for a little bit. I know I had a lot of roller videos on my birds flying earlier this year and in the wintertime actually, but now I'm gonna show you a video of these guys here flying in good weather here in April. I'm gonna get them all out here, and they're starting to mature a lot better now, so that's why I always have these progressive videos of these birds, rollers, flying, just to show you. Shh, come on, get on up there. Shh. Weather's beautiful today. No wind. Temperature is pretty on the cool side. Oh wow, that was a good one. So, just show you another one update. And they're doing pretty good. I mean, I'm maintaining a good kid of 25. My older birds now, they're almost a year old. So, yeah, they're getting up there now. So I gotta come up with a new kit box for my young birds, and I have a couple kits, but a couple kit boxes going on. But yeah, they're way up there now. So, I'm going to cut this video short and then turn it back on when they start to come down, because they usually hang up there and do their thing for about a good 30 minutes. And they're really up there now. Okay, so I'll come back on this one. Okay, part 2. Finally descending down a little bit after being up there for about a good 20 minutes. At least this way now they come down, I can videotape them a little bit better. Yeah, it'll be almost a year now, so they know that they're pretty good together, flying and kidding and doing their thing. I still had one that like to go his own way, but as soon as some of these young birds come around, I might have to end up weeding some of these guys out. There's a lot of seagulls up here today. I live close to the lake, and sometimes they startle them when they be flying by. They must be thinking they're hawks or something, I don't know. But just thought I'd show you. Yep, seagulls everywhere. Wow, okay. Just thought I'd show you. Look at all these seagulls up there. My rollers are way up there, and I haven't seen this in a while, but in fact I think this is the first time I've seen this. Seagulls are just circling around here because farmer plowed the fields and they just love to go out there and eat whatever's out there. What was happening is my rollers are like way up there. I mean, almost like high flyers right now, because they're not sure about these seagulls. They don't know if they're predators or what. So they're just staying way up there. Thought this would be an interesting clip to show. I mean, they've been up there almost 30 minutes. And what's going on is they're not rolling as much as I thought they was, because now I understand what's going on. A lot of these seagulls are coming from the east and they're heading towards the lake. I live probably 15 minutes from Lake Michigan, but from where they're coming from, I'm not sure. But they're just periodically coming around, but they're always drifting to the west. But man, them rollers are up there, way up there. So I don't know. Just thought I'll show you that, and I'll turn this thing back on when they come back around, come down a little bit. But for now, they're just way up there. Like I said, these seagulls are just coming out of nowhere and throwing these guys off. They're not sure what they are. They're reacting like if it was a hawk or a predator, so it's a good thing, I guess. But almost to the point where I can't even see them. Wow. Anyways, let's see if I can zoom in on it. I don't know if you see them way up there. Yeah. So I'll come back again when they come down a little bit closer. Okay, after almost 35 minutes, they're finally trying to descend. Wasn't a good day to fly, I guess. Too many seagulls were up in the air. Messed them up. I know they're probably pretty tired now. They haven't ate or drank all day. Well, I drank, but they haven't ate. But so, see, there's another seagull. Man, I just learned something, man. These seagulls are throwing these birds off. Anyways, let's see what happens here. See if they come down. They were just getting ready. Look like they're getting ready to descend, but still get them seagulls coming in and out. But being at the end of April here now, been pretty lucky. Haven't seen no serious hawks coming around anymore. Oh boy, okay. I'm about to give up on these guys. I'll do another day. I'm gonna just scrap this video. This ain't gonna work out too good. Too many distractions, but I did learn something. Don't fly them, man, when there's other birds in the air. Like these seagulls. They're just crisscrossing them all day. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Alright, end of this.